Hey Stampers, it's Debbie with Stamp It with Debbie, and I didn't give you notice today that I'm going to be going live, but I did want to, I was getting ready to do my paper pumpkin kit, and I thought this would be a great time to show anyone who doesn't really know what the paper pumpkin kit is, what it's all about. So Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription by Stampin' Up, and every month this box will be delivered right to your door, and you'll get really excited when you know that it's been shipped and you can track it and see that it's coming right to your door. It's only $20, $19.95 plus tax, which is 21 something. Shipping is included in the cost, and you're going to get all of the cardstock that you need for the projects. You're going to get the ink, and you're going to get the stamp set. With your very first kit, you will get a block so that you have a block to use for all of the kits in the future. So I wanted to just show you. So I got this the other day, and I wanted to just show you exactly what it looks like. And I haven't opened it up, so I don't really know except for what I've seen online. Another thing, we'll talk about this in just a minute. Paper Pumpkin is turning 6 years old. So this is what your kit will look like. This month, we're celebrating succulents, and there's a lot of good sayings. We have a little fresh fig Stampin' Spot. It always comes dressed up real pretty in a piece of tissue paper, and you can reuse that for something else. And the other thing you can do is reuse this box. Flip it around so the orange is on the inside, put some designer paper on it, and use it as a gift box for someone. This is the kit, and sometimes it is card kits, sometimes it will be projects. Last month it was Valentine treats. Back in around Halloween there were some Halloween treats. So this is how it comes packaged. As I said, I haven't opened it, so I'm just going to open it up to show you everything that's inside. Okay, of course you're going to get directions, and for this one there are 9 cards, and you're going to make 3 of each. And then if you open it up, step-by-step instructions. Step 1, step 2, step 3, all the way through. Tells you exactly how to create them. You are going to get envelopes, and for this one you're going to get all of your card bases. And it looks like for this one there's 2 different card bases. If you need a banner for a greeting, they're going to have that all punched out for you, or it's kind of pre-scored. You just stamp it and punch it out. Ooh, here's one more card base. I guess there are 3 card bases. And then it looks like some card fronts. Several different card fronts. There in this one there's a couple sheets of vellum. There are also some little glue dots, some dimensionals. Looks like I have some little, they're not rhinestones, these are little, I can't remember what those are called. I'm trying to look at my, they're epoxy droplets, that's what those are. And then there is some white baker's twine and some black baker's twine. So this is everything that you get. And again, there are step-by-step instructions, and you can put them together as is, or every month I have alternate ideas. Now if you're local to me, we do have a night, and it's usually the end of the month to make sure that everyone gets their kit. You need to be signed up by the 10th of each month if you want to get in on the next month's kit. Stampin' Up! Doesn't release a video to show you exactly what the kit looks like, but they have been doing little sneak peeks to say, this is what we used, here are some of the colors we used. Now next month, or you need to be signed up by March 10th, Stampin' Up! Is celebrating their 6th birthday. They have been doing Paper Pumpkin for 6 years. So they're having a special box, which will be really cute. You can see here what the box looks like. It's not an orange one. They have already told us that we are going to be getting not only a regular to coordinate with the projects that they have in here for us. So if you would like to sign up, there's really no obligation. If you sign up for this month and you decide that you don't like it, you can always cancel. If you get going along and you decide that you are going on vacation or you're really not going to have time that month to put yours together, you can suspend your subscription so that you don't get charged for it. If you want to up, if you think that there's a special time like Valentine's Day, there were special, I knew they were going to be tree holders, so I upped my subscription a couple so that I could have a couple extras for some stampers that wanted to stamp with me. So you can up it, you can take it back down the next month, you can suspend it, but every month I will have alternate ideas. And as I said, you can come over and we like to stamp together because it's always more fun stamping with friends. And you can do it that way, or you can get the ideas from, I'll post them if you want to sign up. And again, you need to be signed up by March 10th if you want to get subscribed for this month. But I would not wait, because Stampin' Up! Only has so many kits, and in the past they have run out of kits. So you want to make sure and get your name in as soon as you can if you think that you would like to try out next month's kit. And I think it's going to be a great one. I don't have details yet, but as soon as I have any details of if I can see a color combination, or I think that they have said it's going to be cards for sure, not projects, not like a box or a bag or anything. So when I have more details, I will definitely let you know. Be sure and check the link out above and get signed up. If you have any questions, leave it below in the comments and I'll be sure to get back with you, or you can contact me directly. Have a great rest of your Sunday, and I hope you get signed up for Paper Pumpkin so you can feel like a crafting princess next month too. Have a good afternoon.